Hey guys, Acme Trading Company sent me a couple more models to do a preview on. Keep in mind that these are pre-productions, deco samples, prototypes, whatever you want to call them. They do not reflect the final design, other than this is to give you a pretty good idea of what they're going to look like, but there will be some more final tweaks and changes before the actual production runs. So we have two 1971 Plymouth HEMI Cudas. The first one is B5 blue, and the other one is just labeled as black. So first up, we will start off with the B5 blue. And that is a beautiful blue. I don't know if they call it B5 blue because it's beautiful times 5. I have the little old style Chrysler emblem right there, so we can focus on it. Nice little detail added. And can we see the brakes? No, I'm guessing with the Steelies. Probably can't see them. So there is something back there, a little bit designed like the drum brakes. Oh, that's very nice. So we got the wires and the brake lines on this. Take a up close and personal look at the chassis. Man, look at the gloss on that engine. Yeah, you can see my light ring, we're pretty good. And it does have working suspension. That kind of moves, but being the prototype, I do not want to be the one responsible for breaking this. So I'm not going to press too hard on it. Got the B5 Blues. I'm sure that'll be corrected in production. Take a spin around the car. You can actually see through the grille. Got the radiator way back there. Back when cars would actually put it toward or further back instead of like newer cars where the radiator is like right there in the front, so if you even tap something, the radiator explodes. Which happened to one of my friend's cars just recently. And that was fun trying to change that out on the side of the road because he did not have towing. Take a look at that awesome engine bay. I love that Acme puts the hinges on these cars. I mean, that just puts it miles ahead of like any of the ISO models. Really get the details of the engine bay. Got the little spark plug wires. We got the wires running to the battery. I love that shit shaker right there. That is pretty sweet. And the hood closes really nice and easy. Take a look at the trunk. Of course, got the information right there, information sticker. Love, 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 love that they put that in here. I love those tiny little details. Alright, so let's take a peek at the interior, and it does not appear that the windows roll up. It is a sealed slot. So I'm not going to try and break at the handle to see if that works. Take a look at the dash. The seat does actually move forward a tiny bit. Gotta make it to where your tiny little passengers can get in there. Trying to focus on the back. There we go. So that's from that side. Let's take a peek from the other side. And that seat actually really folds down, that one. It's not blocked by the steering wheel. Barracuda. Is that glove box open? I'll be. The glove box does actually open. Look at that. Got your little cup holders. Because driving a car like this, you definitely got to have some cup holders, right? Alright, so that is a sneak peek at the blue one. Let's get the black one out. Probably gonna do a little bit quicker spin on this one just because we saw most of the details in the blue one. These are the pins? No. So I'm guessing the production will actually have pins. Just want to see how well you can see through that grill. And it's kind of hard to see with all the lighting I've got in here. You can't actually see the radiator through there. Hopefully if you're watching this on a big screen TV, you can see the radiator behind. Take a quick look at the engine bay and the black one. .426 Cuda. Awesome. That is a sharp black on there. This one also has the Pentastar. Oop, lost the steering wheel. So this one, you can see the overspray that they put on the detail. I love that. Apparently that was a real thing. Like, I didn't know about that. I remember when I saw someone making a custom one time, I saw that they were putting overspray on the chassis. I'm like, what is this guy doing? And then I looked it up because I didn't believe that older cars actually did that. And sure enough, they did. I mean, this is before my time, so don't make fun of me for not knowing about this until recently. But sure enough, the factories did do overspray on the chassis. And this is authentic to what the real cars look like. So if you peek underneath one of these that still has all the original stuff down there, well, that's what it's going to look like. Looks like I'm missing the glove box on this one, or the door. That's okay. This is pre-production. I'm sure it's sitting somewhere over at Acme Diecast is on someone's desk there. So Acme, if you're watching this, I did not lose the cover. Yeah, it's not in the box. It's not on the table. I hear anything rattling, so don't get mad at me. And the steering wheel unfortunately did come off, but hey, it lets you look up really good at the dash because now it's not blocking your view. See the wood grain detail. Cool. So there you guys have it. These are up for pre-order right now. The steering wheel does turn, someone has to ask. Rolls pretty decent. Anyway, so these are up for pre-order right now on Acme's website. Make sure to lock them in before it's too late. They are $135 right now for the pre-order plus shipping, but if you use your Acme membership or Tom's Garage membership, you get the 20% off. So as I do at the end of all these videos I do for Acme, don't forget about Tom's Garage. Seriously. Okay, so I just want to pull up real quick. So maybe if you just go to acmediecast.com, click on the menu, Tom's Garage, It's only $19.95 plus the shipping and handling of the key. Memberships get 20% discount on all products, $50 minimum order for the entire year, and I gotta say I've saved already a ton of money. Someone's at my front door. But you get a key with a unique serial number. This is, I think, this is my 2020 key. I was trying to find this in my last video to show you guys. But my 2020 key, my membership number was 2020. Well, add a 0, but like, that's kind of funny. I actually had Tom and Matt sign this. So Tom of Tom's Garage and Matt, the president of ACME Diecast. I'm not going to pick my key, try to put it back in. But anyway, so, like I said, you get 20% off. I mean, it literally pays for itself on your very first order. There's no reason not to have the membership. So you get this awesome key. It's a heavy key, solid metal. It's amazing. You get exclusive access to Tom's Garage and ACME's website, and you get access to sneak peeks. They usually have 2 at a time to show up. Sneak peek, it's just every month. And there's also monthly key holder drawings, which 2 people win one of the models for the month, which is usually one of the new releases that's coming out that month or the month before. So you're getting like brand new stuff. And you get access to the newsletter with the latest developments and events, which today I just actually got one with pretty lengthy going over the Indianapolis race that happened Sunday. And you also get offered their low model Tom's Garage models, which I have 3 now, 3 or 4. And it's a very limited run. They sell out usually the same day that they come out. So if you see one announced, you get the email, do not hesitate. I think I hesitated on one of the ones I really wanted, and it was sold out the next day, and I didn't get a chance to get it, which really sucks. But that's just the way it is. So just make sure you don't miss out. And also, don't forget about the 12 days of Christmas. That's when I won one of the big prizes. I think it was the second day or whatever. I won like a $650 gift certificate, which I blew pretty quick on a bunch of their models, a bunch of Mustangs that I needed, some Boss Mustangs. But anyways, guys, so seriously, $19.95 plus shipping and handling on the keys. It literally pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, so don't forget to sign up. And let me know in the comments what you think of the B5 Blue HEMI Cuda and also the Black HEMI Cuda. And let me know what you think ACME should make next. It's always good to have some feedback, and I'm sure they would appreciate it. So let me know. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the Vipers in the bottom right corner. See my most current video in the top right corner. The 2 videos on the left are based on your interest in this video. And make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more content. And as always, happy hunting.